Star?
It looks like a star in the sky, the flash. It's a good thing you got your sunglasses on, huh? Say, twinkle, twinkle, little star.
What are you doing?
Catch the ball. The star wants to watch you catch the ball. Say hello.
Stars.
Go catch the ball.
You sit back. Ready? Ah. You ready? Ready? Ah. Gordon. What are you doing?
What back?
Ready? Ah.
Oh, so close.
Ready? Yeah.
Good job.
Ready?
Oh, Dad.
Come on. What are you doing?
And it went right under. See it? There you go. Use your baseball bat. You're not getting it. Corey J. Corey J, no ma'am.
No.